Welcome back to Harris Family Adventures. I don't know about you, but I am ready for winter to be over. Today is supposed to be a beautiful day in the upper 50s, and I have some early spring cleaning to do on several yards. My son Tyler and I started a small lawn mowing business in our subdivision, which started from our senior neighbors asking us for help with their yard maintenance. The news spread quickly, and I now have 7 yards in my subdivision that we maintain, which I love every customer that I have. The only problem is my son is currently attending Bible college in Savannah, Georgia, and can no longer help me. I am so ready for him to come back this summer. The funny part about my son's help is he always wants to operate the mower, and for some reason I'm always stuck with the trimmer. This almost 50-year-old man needs to get back on that mower and let him do the trimming. I guess it really comes down to I will take whatever help I can get. Today I am filming with my new favorite vlogging camera, the DJIOsmoNano. This thing is a lot of fun, and boy does it work well. It sticks really well to a mower. In our area, we have this invasive bush called the honeysuckle. These things are everywhere, and boy do they just destroy woods. You cut them and they come right back. You have to almost cut them and then spray them with a Roundup. I don't know when I'm ever going to learn my lesson. I need to get myself a bungee cord and strap my loads down. My subdivision is just full of mature trees. It seems like we are losing limbs all the time. So every time before I cut, this is almost a standard practice. You got to pick up all the limbs. I like to use my grass cutting hobby to fund my cruising addiction. We do have one big event this year. In May, my daughter Haley is getting married. And unfortunately, she's going to be moving away to Savannah, Georgia. We are going to miss her, but we know that her and Matt are doing what God has called them to do. And we're trusting that God will use them and open up doors for them as they start their life in their ministry. We are excited to get this wedding over with. All of the unknown costs and all the bills that are coming in for this wedding, I am ready for it to be over with, so I can get going on booking more cruises. We can't let this year go by without booking at least one cruise. We did book a cruise on the Carnival Celebration sailing in November, and we did squeak out one more cruise for next year in 2027. We're going on the Royal Caribbean Quantum of the Seas, and we're going back to Alaska. I cannot wait. Just a couple more piles to pick up and we'll be done with all the sticks. Uh-oh, we have a problem. You always have to watch your fires. I turned my back just for a few minutes to pick up some more sticks, and that fire started getting out of control. So always be watching your fire. This is why you always have to watch your fire. Look at that. It can get out of control real quick. It is time to do some fishing while we let this fire burn. We're gonna go fishing. See if we can catch something. It's been a busy day of working. Got a nice fire going. Cleaned up a lot of wood today. Cut a lot of honeysuckle. Now it's time to reward myself with a little bit of fishing. Let's push some of this wood in first. Gotta enjoy these nice days. Now we got a fire. There we go. Let that burn for a while. I'll try our white plastic jig again. See what happens here today. Tried a little bit yesterday, didn't get nothing. I'm supposed to get some rain. Let's get this thing going out. Trout season starts tomorrow. I'm watching videos on that. Let's see if we can catch something. Wish I was there. No bites. Let's try it again. Okay, let's try it. Hopefully this might get it. I'm feeling it. Come on, fish. Where you at? Oh, nothing. No bites, no nibbles. It's probably about almost 60 degrees today. It was great today. Perfect day. I got a little further. I think a bite right there. I got ashes all over my clothes from my fire. Try out here. It's not looking good today. No bites at all. I think we're going to have to call this one pretty quickly. You definitely see rain is coming in. It's getting cloudy. It's been really cold, and then all of a sudden it got warm. I think there's a chance of freezing rain this weekend, like on Sunday. Well, no luck with fishing, so let's get back to work. So I'm going to do a quick mulching in my yard. I have a few leaves that we blew out from the front door. Mulch that up and put some fertilizer down. And that was a good fire. We did it. It's a beautiful day today. You have to enjoy these days. Don't let them just slip by. It's easy to sit on the couch and just let the day go by. But boy, it's so nice getting out. We're gonna finish this day off doing some grilling. We're gonna do smash burgers today and make some bacon. Bacon and smash burgers. What a great day we had today. So much work was accomplished. It was good to get out and enjoy the weather. I really appreciate everyone watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more from Harris Family Adventures.